guys, today I'm going to be filming a few clips from us doing up our bathroom, and it's going to be sort of like a budget makeover video. We live in a new build, so virtually every single room in this house was just plain white walls. This room is very much still like that, it's just everything's white, which is obviously absolutely lovely, and we've lived with quite a few of the rooms just exactly how they are with our furniture in them, but we decided to make the most of having time being at home at the moment to just give our bathroom a little bit of an update and put our stamp on it. We thought it would be really nice to paint it and put up a few shelves. I'm going to show you obviously before and afters, but the whole transformation or makeover has only cost, it's less than £100 or £100 exactly. We got a lot of the stuff from Dunelm, and a lot of the other stuff we already had in the house in other rooms, and we've just sort of moved things around. So yeah, it only cost us £100 to do up, and it came out of our joint savings, so it's not anything to do with my no-buy. It's not my personal savings, it hasn't come from that. So technically I haven't broken my no-buy, and it's, do you know what, it's absolutely lovely. I've been so happy with it, and I feel inspired to maybe tackle some other rooms in the house that we haven't done yet as well. But let's go right ahead and jump into the before shots. So I'm going to give you a quick before tour. It's not much to show because it's quite a small bathroom. Here is the bath. So that's the bath area, and then it moves over to the toilet and the sink. And I really like this little like ledge. It's got a really deep ledge where the window sits, and it lets in loads and loads of light. And then turn you around and there's the radiator. And the plan is to paint the walls this colour here, which is Misty Sky by Dulux, which is a really lovely like sky blue, and I thought it was quite unique. You don't really see a lot of blue these days, it's a lot of greens, which I also love, but I thought we'll do something different. And then I want to put a couple of shelves up on this wall here, just to add a bit of height to the room, make it feel a little bit bigger. And then I want to put a big like antique brass mirror here that sort of looks a bit vintagey. And then just to add a bit of contrast, we've bought a few blush accessories, like a blush vase and a blush bath mat, and also some sort of ochre tones as well, just to contrast with the blue. So I think it's going to look quite nice, but my other half has gone off to pick up the accessories and whatnot. I've also bought a we've also bought a bath caddy to sit across the bath as well, which will be really nice. Right, we have got 2 coats of paint on the walls now. This is the paint we're using, it's Valspar, and it's the bathroom paint. It's a colour match to Dulux Misty Sky. shelf numero uno. So this is the final bathroom reveal. So we have this gorgeous antique style mirror. This is from Dunelm. The little faux plant in the corner there is from IKEA, but the plant pot is also from Dunelm. These are both from Dunelm. Beautiful blush vase and the little faux stems in there. This is an incredibly old plant pot from IKEA, I think, originally. This bath rack caddy thing is from Amazon. And these two shelves are from Desenio, with a few little accessories on top there. And then lastly, this hummingbird bath mat is also from Dunelm. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will do more sort of house videos for you if you enjoyed it, and do take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!